Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a new website where it gives you around $30 free API credits for calling AI models such as Kimi K3. You also have Qwen 3, GLM, all the AI models are there. So the website name is model.com. I've also given the link in the description of the video. So once you go to the browser, simply type this. So the interface will open something like this. So I've already logged in using my Google account. So simply log in. So as you can see, it gives you around $1 of credits once you sign up. So the credits are $1 as you can see. And now to unlock those $29 more credits, you just need to add a payment method. So this is really easy. Just add a credit card and then you will get the remaining $29 credits. So total up to $30 credits. So for account verification, it will just take 49 rupees from your credit card and it will be back once the verification is done. So right here, just need to add the credit card. After that, you will get the $29 remaining. And now to get started, it's very simple. So now to get the API key. So if you go to the endpoint section, so here you will see all the AI models. So we also have Kimi K3 from Moonshot. We also have Qwen 3 from Alibaba. We also have Google Gemma 4. So if you do want to see all the models, you click on this button, browse all models. So here you will see all the endpoints. We have DeepSeek, Nemotron, GPT Horn, GLM. All the providers are there. So now to get started, for example, I need to deploy this model. You click on the button, deploy this model, and stick with the default options with the shared and just give it an endpoint name. And right here, you need to click the button create token. After that, it will give you this token ID, token secret, and this will be your API key as you see. So just store all this information because it will only be appearing for the first time. Let me just create a file here and store all this information. So here you can call this API from anywhere. It can be VS Code extension or it can be a Python script. Let me show you how to call this API key. Let me store it everything. So after that, you just click on the button create endpoint and it will give you the endpoint right here. It is simply deploying the model as you see. So once it's deployed, you will get this congratulation message that the model is successfully deployed. So you can see that. So now it is completely ready. This is actually your endpoint where the model is deployed. So now to use it, you go to the usage section or so this is you can just need to install this. So just go to the terminal section and they have this dependency that we need to install. Pip install model. So simply install this and just copy this and just make this example app.py. As you see, we are importing it. And now to configure the API key, I think so these are all your billing settings. So now it is installed. You can run the application. So they have also given this second command that you can install. For configuring the client here, Python-m model setup. So directly it will open this, simply authorize the account, and your client has been granted on API token and it's ready to use model. So now you will get this message in the terminal right here, token verified and everything is authenticated. So right here, so the verification is complete here, as you can see. So you can add the payment method to actually unlock the $29 free API credits that you get. So to create the endpoint, we successfully created the endpoint, as you see. So quick start, if you click on that, they have given this full example. Let me just copy this and just paste it. So right here, this is your endpoint. So right here, you need to paste the token ID, token secret that we store. Let me just copy this, the token ID, and then we have the token secret. So copy this, paste it. So after that, that's all that I need to do. If I just run this, I think model key. Sorry, you just need to paste it like this, is not environment variable. So again run this. And also we need to paste the API key. So this is your API key and this is the variable API key. So I pasted all these three information that we stored earlier. And now I try to execute this and hopefully this will run. The model that we are using is Kimi K3 and the latest version of Moonshot AI, and we are passing this message: you are a concise technical assistant, explain why lower latency matters for LLM endpoints. So as you see guys, they return the response here, interactive applications like chatbot. So you can actually change this message if you want to. Let me just change this message. Top 10 frameworks of Node.js in 2026. I ask a programming related question. You can even ask it to make any kind of application. So I change the message here. As you can see now, it will again interact with the API. So this is a free API that you can use guys, worth of $30 credits. You can get it for totally free by just adding the credit card. So as you can see, it returns the top 10 Node.js frameworks in 2026. Apart from that, you can pass any message here. It can be a application you want to make. So we are calling this Kimi K3, this API. We are passing all this information, the model ID, model secret, and the API key. So this website allows you to just deploy the model. You can even do this in TypeScript as well. Everything is there, as you can see that. Definitely check this out. All the usage will show directly right here. As you see, we have 0.01. So in this easy way, please check out this website, hit the like button, subscribe to channel, and also comment.